Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Today's topic is the types of E in French. So let's begin. In French, E has different sounds. Today, in this video, we will cover these types of E. First is closed E. It's pronounced as A. A. Let's look at some of its examples. Examples are café,
coffee,
bébé,
baby,
été,
summer,
école,
school,
écouter,
to listen,
télé,
television,
étudiant.
student.
Let's practice some words with A together. Café, café. Bébé, bébé. Été, été. École, école. Ailé, ailé. Étudiant, étudiant. Let's practice some sentences with these words. J'aime le café. L'été est chaud. L'étudiant étudie. Second type is open E. Its pronunciation is A. A. All open E's have the same pronunciation. Let's look at some of its examples to understand better. Examples of A are père,
Father,
mère,
mother,
très,
very,
après.
after.
Examples of A are fête,
Festival, celebration, party.
forêt,
Forest,
être,
to be.
tête,
Head,
fenêtre.
window.
Diaresis is also pronounced as a, and it often marks that vowels are pronounced separately. For example, Noël,
Christmas,
ambigu,
ambiguous,
aigu.
acute, sharp.
Let's practice some words with these E's. Père, père. Mère, mère. Très, très. Fête, fête. Tête, tête. Fenêtre, fenêtre. Noël, Noël. Let's practice some sentences with these words. Mon père et professeur. Ma mère cuisine très bien. Il fait très chaud aujourd'hui. Nous irons au parc après le déjeuner. La fête est amusante. La forêt est grande. Je veux être médecin. J'ai mal à la tête. Ouvre la fenêtre, s'il te plaît. J'aime Noël. La réponse est ambiguë. La douleur est aiguë. Then we have Swachwa E. It is pronounced as and it is often found in small words. Examples are le,
The,
de,
of, from,
je,
I,
me,
me,
te,
you,
ce,
this, it,
ne,
not,
ce.
oneself, himself, herself, itself.
Let's practice some words with Swachwa E together. Le, de, je, me, ce, ne. Let's practice some sentences with these words. Je parle français. Je regarde la télévision. Le garçon est ici. Then we have silent E. Sometimes E is not pronounced in some words. For example, table,
table,
pot,
door,
petite,
small,
grande,
big, tall,
voiture,
car,
minute,
minute,
Let's practice some words with these words. Table, table, petite, petit, grande, grande. Let's practice some sentences with these words. La table est ronde. Ferme la porte. La petite fille joue. Now I have a mini quiz for you all. The first question is, how do you pronounce closed E? You have three options for this. And the correct option is option B, A. The next question is, which word has silent E? Is it option A, B or C? And the correct option is option B, petite. Merci. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Au revoir. Bye.